Let's discuss importing in greater detail. The Typing Instructor Web for Kids Management Center offers convenient importing tools to make creating and modifying your database easy. Importing provides the most efficient means to add information. Follow these steps to successfully import your information. Create a file containing your information using the proper formatting. Import the file using the Admin tab or Typist tab. Review and fix any errors. If present, errors will be reported. Re-import the corrected file if needed. CSV data files must be used to import data into the Management Center. Administrators and instructors with administrator privileges can import information such as school, instructor username, instructor name, first and last, class goal words per minute, email and password, as well as typist information by importing a CSV file. Instructors can use the Typist tab to import typist information. Creating an import file. When using the import feature to load your schools, instructors, classes, and typist information, the file must be formatted correctly and saved as a .csv file. Headers are required in the import file. Import files can be created using a spreadsheet program, such as Excel, or a text program, such as Notepad. The best and easiest method to create a properly formatted CSV import file is to use one of the 5 spreadsheet templates available from the Admin tab. This is recommended because the template files contain the headers. Download one of these templates from the Import Templates link under the Resources section of the Admin tab. Using a template is helpful when importing large amounts of data. These CSV files provide the required fields in the proper format. Instructors with administrator privileges can use the 5 import templates from the Admin tab. Instructors without administrator privileges use the Typist tab to import typists. Let's take a closer look at each of the templates provided. The school template is available from the Admin tab. Use this template if you only have a list of schools to import. Use the school and instructor template, also available from the Admin tab, if you have a list of schools and instructors to import. Use the school, instructor, and class template, also available from the Admin tab, if you have a list of schools, instructors, and classes to import. Use the school, instructor, class, and typist template, available from the Admin tab, if you have a list of schools, instructors, classes, and typists to import. The Typist template, available from the Admin and Typist tabs, is to be used if you have a list of typists to import. Administrators can use this template as well as instructors. Please note that typist password and typist goal words per minute are not required fields. If these fields are left blank, the typist password will default to the typist username and the typist goal words per minute to the class words per minute. If you only import typist from the Admin tab, they will be included in the unassigned class on the Typist tab. Typist can then be moved into other classes. Previously, you saw how to import typist information using the Import button from the Typist tab. This is how instructors without administrator privileges import typist data using the Typist-only template. Let's take a look at how administrators utilize the Admin tab to import information into the database. The process is the same. When your CSV templates are completed, or filled out with all of the information you wish to import, click the Import button on the Admin tab. Then, browse to your CSV or text file in the Select File to Upload dialog box. For the purposes of this demonstration, a template has already been completed with information to import. Let's add a new school with new teachers and class assignments by selecting the School plus Instructor plus Class template. This template includes the school name, instructors' usernames assigned by the master administrator, the instructors' first and last names, as well as the instructors' email addresses, TypingInstructorWeb for Kids passwords, and class names and class words per minute speeds. When you're ready to import, double-click the file, or click the file and click the Open button in the dialog box. The Management Center will indicate errors if there are any formatting issues in the CSV import file. All import files must follow the field requirements and rules indicated in a convenient table in the user's guide. For the purposes of demonstration, errors have been included in this import file. A message box displays indicating a processing error. To view the errors, click the OK button in the Import dialog box. Click the Click Here link in the lower left of the Import preview window. View the errors in the Error Report dialog box. There are several possible errors you may encounter when importing, including invalid email addresses, incorrect values for goal words per minute speed, improper username formats, and more. For a full list of possible errors, please see the user's guide. You must correct the errors to import the file. You can copy the errors to the clipboard to paste the list into a text file, or close the dialog box and correct the errors directly in the CSV file, and then re-import. The errors must be corrected to import properly into your database. Let's assume the errors have now been corrected. Once the file is formatted properly, re-import by repeating the process. Click the Import button, browse to your CSV file, and then open the file. Click the Commit button in the preview window. Click the OK button in the Import dialog box. To verify that the information has been imported, select the tabs to view the imported information. In this case, 2 new instructors, each with 1 class, at a new school, School C. This concludes the TypingInstructorWeb for Kids Management Center training. Thank you for taking the time to view this presentation.